In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a calendar on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Calendar app. After that, down below here, you can easily find calendars. Just tap on it and it will show you all your calendars. Some of them are active, some of them are not, and from that list, if you would like to remove some calendar, all we have to do is just tap at eye icon next to it, and that's where we can easily find delete calendar. I'm just gonna tap on it. It asks, are you sure you want to delete this calendar? All events associated with these calendars will also be deleted. To continue, tap at delete calendar. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.